If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen, and today I present you one of my very favorite pasta recipes, and this is very quick. It's a one-pot pasta, chicken pasta recipe. If you want, if there are any vegetarians, just take the chicken out and that's it. You can just add rest of the things. And it is super easy. You find these ingredients at home all the time, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Let me show you all the ingredients that I have here. First of all, that I have is sun-dried tomato. You can use whatever sun-dried tomatoes you have at home, no particular brand or anything. Sun-dried tomatoes. I have penne pasta, and then I have some cream cheese, some basil, some paprika right here, some salt, and parsley, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and chili flakes. And over here I have some thinly sliced chicken breast. This is one chicken breast that I'm using. I have some just sliced red onion. I have some spinach, chopped spinach over here, tomato puree, and I have half enough over here. So for the exact measurements for this recipe, you can check this description box below. You'll find the entire direction and instructions and everything. And I am so hungry just looking at the ingredients. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make this super easy. Alright guys, I have this pot here. You want to use a deep pot. The first thing that I'm gonna add is the sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm not gonna add any oil, because the sun-dried tomatoes are soaked in oil, so it's gonna leave enough oil for me to saute my onions and my chicken and everything. Let the pan heat up and let the tomatoes leave the oil, and then I'm gonna add the other ingredients. The pan is hot enough for me to add the onions, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the sliced onions. Just mix it around. And now I'm gonna add my chicken. So you wanna saute your onion for 2 to 3 minutes and then add in the chicken and cook the chicken until the pinkness goes away. And the only spice that I'm going to be adding right now is salt. Mix it around, cook the chicken, and once the chicken is done, we're going to go ahead and add all the spices, the pasta, the milk, and it's going to cook in a one pot. Alright, I cooked the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. The pinkness is gone. You can see it's no more pink in color. And then now I'm gonna add all the spices. I'm gonna add garlic powder, black pepper, chili flakes, and then oregano, parsley, basil. And you know what? I changed my mind. And I'm not gonna add the paprika. If you want, you can go ahead and add the paprika. I'm not gonna add it because I added enough chili flakes, so I don't want to add any more paprika to it. I am also gonna add spinach. This is also a very good way of eating spinach because you don't really taste the spinach that much in the pasta. Oh my god, it smells so amazing right now over here. And now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. This is a chunky tomato puree, not a smooth tomato puree. If you want, you can add the smooth, but I like it chunky in this pasta at least. Oh wow, look at this. Add half and half. Mix everything around. now I'm gonna add the pasta. The heat is medium-high heat right now. And now that I added pasta, I'm gonna cook it with lid on for 13 minutes. And check after 13 minutes if my pasta is done or not. I'm sure it's gonna be done, and my chicken will also be done by that time. And the last step is just going to be adding the cream cheese, and your pasta will be ready. So let's go ahead and cover this up and let the magic begin. Alright guys, it's 13 minutes and my pasta is all done. The penne is literally al dente. Chicken is cooked, and the last step is I'm gonna add the cream cheese, and this is going to make the difference. Like literally all the difference the cream cheese is gonna make it. It's gonna make it creamy. Even though I'm not adding any cheese, this is gonna make it super creamy. So just mix it around. The temperature is medium now. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this. This looks beautiful, like literally beautiful. Just let the cream cheese mix, and your beautiful pasta is going to be ready. So finally, this is all done. The cream cheese has melted, and now I'm gonna serve it and do the taste testing with you guys. Alright guys, pasta is ready. Oh my god, just look at this beautiful pasta. Oh, it smells extremely delicious. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna taste it right from the bowl. I don't have time to take it out on a plate or anything. It is because it is smelling so good, and I just cannot. I have some sun-dried tomato pasta chicken. It's hot, so be careful. Oh my god, the flavors bursting in my mouth. Don't mind, that's my dog Marvel. He's flapping his ears. But yes, oh my god, this is so freaking good. I love it. Wow. Honestly guys, you guys are gonna love it if you try it. And I hope you try it, because I don't want you to miss this amazing. I don't want you guys missing this amazing recipe. For exact instructions and direction, you can check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys love my recipe. I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye.